You don't always have to be in a church building to be in the presence of God. Sometimes it's enough just to step outside, to walk, to slow down, and to breathe. If we allow it, God's creation has a way of quieting us. And once we're quiet, God meets us, even here. Standing here, it feels like a great cathedral, but not one made by human hands, but by God Himself. I stand here in awe of our great God. Yours, O Lord, is the greatness and the power and the glory and the victory and the majesty, for all that is in heaven and in earth is yours.